Hey, this is the new V2200AIR from TOPDON. It's a 2-in-1 jump starter and air compressor. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box and we'll show it to you. Now, this jump starter will jump up to 8-liter gas engines or 6-liter diesel engines. So it's a powerful 2200 peak amp jump starter. The way that this works is you're gonna actually just come right in here. You've got 2 doors that open on the front. One is to actually plug your jumper cables into. The other is for charging the device or using it as a power bank, which it's great to have as a power bank. If you're out and about, you're able to charge phones, if you're doing stuff outdoors, cameras, that kind of stuff. But like we said, on the backside here is also, it's an air compressor. So the cord stores away here, nice and neat in the back. All right, so we've got the air compressor hooked up. We're gonna show you how this works. This is on a motorcycle tire. We know the motorcycle tire requires 41 PSI, so we're at 39. Now on the device you can hit, there's presets for different applications. So we've got a car, we've got motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and then custom settings. So we're gonna go over to the motorcycle, which really just puts it into a PSI range for us. And like I said, we know that this one's 41. So you just use the plus and minus buttons to go up in PSI. And then we'll click that on. And it's gonna shut off as soon as it hits its 41 PSI. So there we go. Now I do also wanna show you that on the back, we've got a little door here. And that is gonna have a needle for a ball and a small for like pool toys and that kind of stuff to be able to air those up. So nice to have that with you at all times. Now, we'll go ahead and grab the jumper cables, hook those up, and show you how the jump starter works. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and hook up our jumper cables. What's great about this tool is it knows when these are plugged in, so it switches over from air compressor straight into jump pack. You don't have to actually switch it anywhere within the menu system. So I'll go ahead and show you. We'll grab our jumper cables, we'll get those plugged in, and as soon as we do, it turns it on, and it's now ready for jump starting. Now, this has reverse polarity protection to make sure that you hook it up correctly. If you come in closer, you'll see we've got a red light and a green light. So when you hook this up, if you have a red light that comes on, that means that you have it hooked up incorrectly. Green light's gonna tell you that you're good to go and ready to jump. If you jump it the first time and it's not enough, if you have a really dead battery, then you're gonna come back and actually push the button here. This is called the boost button. And you can push that and it's gonna bypass all safety measures and throw all the juice out of this box straight at your battery. But you wanna make sure, again, that you don't have a red light before you do that. Now, the other thing is on the opposite side in here, we have a flashlight. So it's a 400 lumen flashlight. I'll go ahead and show you. It's got a constant mode, it's got a SOS mode, and a red warning light mode. That's the V2200AIR. Be sure to pick yours up today.